How to recover my eyes only deleted picture on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Then, go to your profile. Next, tap the gear icon for settings at the top right. Scroll down until you find Help Center. After that, scroll down and tap Contact Us. Choose I need help with a Snapchat feature. Then, scroll down to the Memory section. Select Using My Eyes Only. Next, choose Filling in this form. Fill in your username, email address, and explain your issue in the description. Finally, tap Submit. And that's how you request to recover deleted pictures from My Eyes Only on Snapchat. Subscribe to see more videos like this.